Hi everyone, welcome to my page. Looking for a new job? Here are some quick tips to boost your search. Well, today I am sharing my top job search tips and tricks to help you land your dream job. First, define your goals and update your resume. Make sure don't forget to use keywords from the job description. Next, network and make connection. Attend industry events, join online groups, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Practice your interview skills and be prepared to talk about your strength and weakness. And don't forget to your follow-up with the employee after the interview. Remember, job hunting is a process, so stay positive, stay focused, and you will land your dream job in no time. For more tips and tricks, please check out my content in this page and also my Facebook page as per below link. Thanks for tuning in everyone. Good luck with your job search and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.